Hi everyone, welcome to COC channel. Today let's make this adorable blue bag. Magic ring method for casting on. Chain 1 to stand up. Round 1. Crochet 6 single crochets. Insert the hook into the loop. Yarn over from the top and pull through. Now there are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through both. That's how to make 1 single crochet. For round 1, we need 6 single crochets. Finish off this yarn. Pull tight and find the first single crochet. Insert and slip stitch to join. Round 2. Chain 1, 6 increases. An increase means 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Place this yarn on the hook and crochet while hiding it. Single crochet in the same stitch. Make another single crochet. That's 1 increase. Now the second increase. Here I crochet tighter because the finished bag will be sturdier. Third increase. Fourth increase. Fifth. Sixth. Slip stitch into the first stitch. Pull this yarn tight. Cut the yarn. Round 3. Chain 1. First stitch, single crochet. Second stitch, increase. That's one group. Now the second group. Single crochet. Increase, third group. Single crochet. Increase, fourth group. Single crochet. Increase, fifth group. Single crochet. Increase, sixth group. Single crochet. Finish with increase and slip stitch into the first stitch. Round 4. Chain 1. First stitch, single crochet. Second stitch, increase. Third stitch, single crochet. Repeat single crochet, increase, single crochet 6 times, group 2. slip stitch into the first stitch, round 5, chain 1, first stitch, single crochet, second stitch, single crochet, third stitch, single crochet, fourth stitch, increase. Repeat 6 groups, round 6, chain 1, single crochet, single crochet, increase, single crochet, single crochet, repeat 6 groups, round 7, chain 1, increase, repeat 6 groups, round 8, chain 1, 1, 2, 3, increase, 1, 2, 3, repeat 6 groups, round 9, chain 1, single crochets, five, 6, 7, increase, repeat 6 groups, round 10, chain 1, make single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, repeat 6 groups. After finishing round 10, it looks like this. This completes the base of the bag. Next, we start crocheting the body of the bag. Begin crocheting rounds 11, 12, 13, and 14. For these 4 rounds, we crochet into the inner loop. Work 60 single crochets into the inner loop each round. This is a full stitch. The loop closer to the inside is the inner loop. For rounds 11 to 14, these rounds are all worked into the inner loop only. No increases needed. Each stitch corresponds to 1 single crochet on top. You can pause here. When finished, you'll see a line left from the outer loop. That means the method was done correctly. After finishing rounds 11 to 14, it looks like this. Next, round 15, chain 1, first stitch, single crochet. Now we crochet into the full stitch. That's fine here. Second stitch, single crochet, then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, skip 3 stitches, insert into the fourth stitch. Now we start crocheting the first pattern. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, chain 4, skip 3 stitches, start the second pattern. Repeat. last single crochet, slip stitch into the first stitch. That completes round 15. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A total of 10 openings. Round 16. Chain 1, first stitch, single crochet, then crochet 7 double crochets into the opening. Yarn over, insert into the space. Pull the yarn through from the back. There are 3 loops on the hook. Pull through the first 2, then through the last 2. That's how to make 1 double crochet. We need 7 in the same space. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. After finishing 7 double crochets in the previous round, find the middle stitch of the 3 single crochets, make a single crochet there. That's 1 pattern group. Now start the second group of 7 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 double crochets. Then in the middle of 3 single crochets, make 1 single crochet. Repeat this method around to finish the round. After the last double crochet, find the first single crochet, slip stitch to join, then slip stitch into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, then chain 1, crochet backwards, 3 single crochets. This is round 17. 1, 2, 3, leave 2 double crochets and worked in the middle, leave 1 here, so it equals 2 skipped on this side and 2 skipped on that side, with 1 single crochet skipped in the middle. Now chain 4. Crochet 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, then chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between 2 double crochets, make 1 single crochet and 2 more double crochets here. Then crochet 3 single crochets in this position. Repeat this method to the end. After the last chain 4, find the starting chain of the previous round, slip stitch to join. Round 18, chain 1. Here we have 1, 2, 3 single crochets. In the middle one, make a single crochet. Then crochet 7 double crochets into the space. Finish. In the middle of 3 single crochets, make 1 single crochet. Repeat this around. When finished, it looks like this. I crocheted 6 rows of this fan-shaped pattern. Slip stitch into the first stitch, then leave a long tail. Cut the yarn. Weave in the ends. Finally, cut the yarn. Now begin crocheting the strap, starting with chains. Make a slip knot, chain stitch foundation. Crochet loosely at first, chain 2. Go back into the second chain from the hook, make 1 single crochet. Then turn it over like this. Here are 2 strands. Insert the hook under these 2 strands. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, leaving 2 on the hook, yarn over and pull through again. Then turn again and insert into these 2 strands. Crochet, single crochet. Repeat this turning and crocheting. Yarn over and pull through, turn again. This is the method for crocheting the strap. Follow this method until the strap reaches your desired length. Pull the yarn long, cut the yarn, sew the strap onto the back, in the middle between 3 fan-shaped patterns, on both sides. Do the same method to sew on the other strap. At this point, remember, before sewing, attach the lemon decoration onto the strap first, then sew the strap on. When everything is finished, it looks like this.